Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have come with another MCQ, a multiple choice question, which is on forms of market. So the first question is, in which market structure do firms produce identical products? A. Monopolistic competition, B. Oligopoly, C. Monopoly, or D. Perfect competition. तो आंसर इज डी वेयर आइडेंटिकल प्रोडक्ट्स और होमोजेनस प्रोडक्ट्स कौन सी मार्केट में होते हैं? इट्स इन परफेक्ट कंपटीशन. तो आंसर इज डी. Second question, the market type known as perfect competition is characterized by A. A large number of buyers and sellers and no restrictions on entry or exit. Second, B. Fiercing advertising campaign. C. Firms continuously trying to change their product. D. One dominant firm. So answer is A. Perfect competition is characterized by large number of buyers and sellers and there is no restrictions on entry or exit. Question third, dash refers to a place where commodities are bought and sold. तो fill in the blanks है. A है market, B is competitive forum, C market forums of the market, D all of the above. So answer is market. Markets refer to a place where commodities are bought and sold. Question 4. The market in which a firm has no power to influence the price of a commodity is known as. First one, monopolistic competition. Second, B is oligopoly. C, monopsony. D is perfect competition. So answer is perfect competition, where firm has no power to influence the price because the price are determined by the industry. So firm has no power to influence price. Price is determined not by a firm, it is decided by the industry, where market demand and supply equates or intersect. At that point market price are decided, so firm has no power to influence the price in perfect competition. Whereas in monopoly we have the power, firm has the power to influence the price. So firm has the power to influence price in monopoly. Firm has no power to influence the price in perfect competition. Next, in a perfectly competitive market, the products are heterogeneous, B homogeneous, C differing in nature, D none of the above. So here the products are homogeneous products. Perfect competitive market में homogeneous product होते हैं. Next question, in perfect competition the market price of a commodity is determined by A all the firms, B government, C market price, D single industry. So in perfect competitive market, the market price of a commodity is determined by the all the firms. So answer is A. Next, the firm in the perfect competition is assumed to be. First one, A is price maker, B is price taker, D is price influencer, D is price controller. So answer is price taker. Prices are decided by the industry where market demand and market supply intersect. So it is price taker. Firm is price taker. Answer is B. Next question. Features of a perfect competition market are large number of buyers and seller, A freedom of entry and exit, B perfect knowledge, C all of the above. So these all are the characteristics of a perfect competition, where there is a large number of buyers and sellers, yes. Freedom of entry and exit, yes. Perfect knowledge of the market, yes. The answer is D all of the above. Next question is true and false. The products of various firms under perfect competition are perfect substitute of each other. तो हाँ perfect competition, yes, perfect competition में various products are perfect substitute of each other. Next question is, dash is a market where there is a sole producer of a goods with no close substitute. तो ऐसी market where there is a sole producer or single producer, सिंगल सेलर who is selling or producing a good with no close substitute, और उसका कोई close substitute नहीं है. तो A is monopolistic market, B is perfect competition, C is oligopoly, D is monopoly. So answer is D. D is a monopoly market where there is a single seller and there is no close substitute. Question 11. The single producer under monopoly is called A. Monopolistic, B. Monopolist, C. Sole seller, D. Producer. The answer is monopolist. Next is true and false. There is one single buyer of a commodity under monopoly. It is false. There is a single seller, not single buyer. So it is false. Next question is firm under monopoly market is known as for A price taker, B price maker, C price settler, D both B and C. So answer is price maker because he is a single firm and he is a single seller, so he can charge any amount of price. That's why he is a price maker. Next question. Dash refers to a situation where a producer sells the same product at different prices to different buyers. A is seller's law, B is buyer's discrimination, C is price discrimination, D is all of the above. So answer is price discrimination. Price discrimination refers to a situation where a producer sell the same product at different prices. एक प्रोडक्ट को जब सेलर डिफरेंट प्राइसेस पे सेल करेगा उसको प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कहते हैं. प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन सिचुएशन होती है जब मोनोपोलिस्ट एक प्रोडक्ट को अलग अलग प्राइसेस पे बेचे. दैट इज प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ फीचर ऑफ मोनोपोली. कौन सा इसमें फीचर नहीं है मोनोपोली का. सिंगल सेलर, यस इट इज देयर. प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, यस देयर इज अ प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. परफेक्ट नॉलेज, नो देयर इज नो, दिस इज नो. क्लोज एंट्री, यस एंट्री इज क्लोज्ड और बैरियर टू एंट्री होता है. तो दिस इज perfect knowledge is not the characteristics or a feature of monopoly, it is a feature of perfect competition. So answer is C. Next question, the main form of imperfect competition is A perfect competition, B monopoly, C monopolistic competition, D all of the above. So answer is C. Monopolistic competition is a form of imperfect competition. Next, the theory of monopolistic competition was given by Edward Herring, Edward Chamberlain, Franklin, Norman Bowling. So answer is B. Edward Chamberlain. Next question, monopolistic competition ensures that to make firm price maker. A. Non-price competition. B. Large number of buyers and sellers. C. Independent price policy. D. All of the above. So answer is C. Independent price policy. Monopolistic competition ensures independent price policy to make the firm price maker or price determinant. So these are the MCQs which are related to forms of market or monopoly. Thank you.